Hey, military enthusiast! Today I'm diving into a game changer in drone warfare. Russia's groundbreaking KUB-SM mobile drone launcher unveiled at IDEX 2025 in Abu Dhabi. The KUB-SM is a state-of-the-art reconnaissance and strike platform introduced by the Russian Kalashnikov concern. This isn't just any drone system, it's designed to enhance battlefield tactics with a combination of loitering munitions and reconnaissance relay aircraft. An armored combat vehicle, probably based on the Ural 4320 or 6370, equipped with 14 containers for guided munitions and 2 containers for reconnaissance drones. Mounted on a robust truck, this system is ready for action wherever it's needed. The loitering munitions, likely the KUB-2E, are true marvels of modern military tech. They come with multi-factor warheads capable of taking out lightly armored vehicles, command posts, anti-aircraft missile systems, and even vehicles with electronic warfare systems. That's versatility on a new level. But it's not just about striking. The KUB-SM also excels in reconnaissance. The BLAR drones conduct thorough recon missions, transmit vital data, and facilitate communication between the munitions and the ground control station. This integrated approach ensures that every strike is precise and informed. Both the drones and munitions are gas dynamically launched from their containers, offering a seamless and efficient launch process. The armored combat vehicle is more than just a launch platform. It transports the crew, manages ammunition, and can swiftly reposition between combat or operational phases. This system was crafted to enhance both reconnaissance and strike missions, making it a versatile and formidable addition to Russia's military arsenal. So what does this mean for modern warfare? With the KUB-SM, Russia is pushing the envelope, merging advanced drone tech with traditional ground vehicle mobility for a potent combination. Keep an eye out for more updates from IDEX 2025. It's clear that the future of warfare is here, and it's more advanced than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more military tech insights. Stay sharp.